Best ways of making money through Instagram. People can make big money on Instagram. The recent Hopper HQ report claims that Kylie Jenner is paid around $1.2 million for a single post on Instagram. Obviously, if you're not one of the world's most well-known celebrities, your estimated earnings may vary depending on the following count: engagement, reputation, etc. Here's the fastest way to grow your Instagram. Sign up for an Instagram growth service like Jumper Media. They automatically follow and unfollow Instagram accounts and engage with users to passively grow your follower account. I currently use them and get 10 to 20 new followers every day without doing any additional work. Number 1. Promote affiliate links. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to join high-paying affiliate programs so that you can add affiliate links to your Instagram and make a commission on the sales you generate. When done right, affiliate links can bring in big money. Since Instagram has a solid user base of engaged people, it's a perfect place to promote affiliate links. No matter how many followers you have, you can insert a clickable link in your Instagram bio. For instance, a fashion blogger, Sophie Chohet, uses this feature to promote affiliate links. Number 2. Sell physical and digital products. Over the last few years, Instagram has turned into a strong sales generator for e-commerce brands. Since people actually do use Instagram to discover and buy products, they rolled out more business account features like in-app checkout, the shop button, product tags, and shoppable stickers to make the shopping process easier. One brand new tool you can use to sell products from Instagram is Square Online. This tool takes Instagram posts from your feed and turns them into a fully shoppable website in 3 simple steps. Connect your Instagram account to Square, tag items in your Instagram posts you want to sell, click Publish, and launch your own website. As it's tough to sell products online from Instagram alone, it's a great idea to also have a website, and this new tool from Square Online makes this super easy. Number 3. Publish sponsored posts. Influencer marketing is on the rise. According to Social Toaster, 92% of individuals trust word-of-mouth recommendations, 76% of people say that they're more likely to trust content shared by common people than brands, and 82% of customers want to get referrals from friends before making a purchasing decision. Simply put, people seek out peers' recommendations. So it's no wonder more and more brands reach out to influencers to get shoutouts for their brands. Since these influencers have in-person interactions with the majority of their subscribers, they deliver better results, which means you can get an offer even if you have less than 1,000 followers on Instagram. Number 4. Become a brand ambassador. Sponsored posts work well on Instagram, but most companies want to establish long-term relationships with influencers, so they seek out brand ambassadors who can promote a company in a positive light on a regular basis. Since Instagram is the most preferred channel for influencer marketing, it's a perfect place for users to find brand ambassador programs and collaborate with companies to promote their products. Large brands also frequently send out free products to influencers so they can review and promote them. For example, Jay Alvarez is a lifestyle blogger who posts photos and videos on his Instagram and YouTube channels. With a highly engaged community of over 6 million loyal followers, brands are eager to build a long-term partnership with him. For ambassadors, this means a great opportunity to make money, as the standard salary for a brand ambassador is somewhere in the $40,000 to $50,000 range. Not only do brands invite Jay to become a brand ambassador, but they also offer him to create capsule collections and co-branded products. Number 5. Create visual content for sale. It's no secret that Instagram is a visual platform. People upload 100 million plus photos and videos daily. However, it's not enough for brands to upload overly polished professional photos of their product to stand out from the crowd. Modern customers crave authenticity, so they pay close attention to user-generated content. In fact, most consumers believe that UGC is 35% more memorable than other media. so businesses of all sizes want to publish content created by their customers. Simply put, it's your opportunity to sell photos and videos that you create. When it comes to the travel industry, companies of all sizes invite real travelers to take photos, showcasing their experiences while staying at brand properties in exchange for free accommodation and payment. Number 6. Provide social media marketing services. It's no secret that Instagram has strong sales potential, so more and more brands want to use this platform to promote products, reach out to target audiences, and increase sales. According to Business Instagram, over 25 million businesses and 2 million advertisers are on the platform. The competition is growing, so brands need professional assistance if they want to cut through the noise. In other words, social media marketing services are in great demand. Case in point, Jen Herman is an Instagram expert who has proved her niche expertise. She writes for Social Media Examiner and she has worked with big brands. Today, Jen Herman offers a great variety of services, including social media strategies, consultations, and training. And guess what? Jen uses Instagram to promote her social media marketing services. Number 7. Write captions for businesses. The days when only big brands could afford Instagram marketing are far behind us. Today, brands of all sizes want to use this platform to promote their products and services, and 92% of small businesses plan to invest more time and effort into social media marketing. While big brands have great in-house content creation staff, small business owners often seek out freelance talent to reduce social media marketing costs. Thus, they often want to find creative specialists who write captions for their businesses at a low cost. Number 8. Make Instagram stories, masks, and filters. Back in 2016, when Instagram copied Snapchat's short-lived content and launched Instagram Stories, no one could have predicted the booming popularity of this content format. Today, over 500 million people watch or create Instagram Stories daily. Since this type of content is available for a limited period of time, people are highly engaged, and it gives brands more opportunities to hook their target audience. What is more, companies create Instagram stories, masks, and filters to prove their niche expertise and promote their products. While some companies have in-house designers who create filters for their brand, other brands want to collaborate with talent who specialize in Instagram masks and filters. And if you're interested in creativity, you can build an income stream on Instagram, as the Spark AR Studio allows all users to create AR filters for Instagram stories. For example, Brend Cardenas uses her Instagram to promote Instagram filters that she creates. Number 9. Find freelance clients. Instagram is not just about posting cute photos of your puppy. Since we've hit the 1 billion active Instagram users milestone, it has become a wonderful platform for networking, especially for people in the creative fields. Today, more and more professionals use this platform as an online portfolio. No matter what you do for a living, whether you're a filmmaker, ghostwriter, or public speaker, you can utilize Instagram to find clients. Moreover, you can always use your Instagram bio to tell your visitors that you're open to finding gig jobs. So that's it for today. All of these methods in this video are proven, and you can be one of them earning online. What are you waiting for? Go and watch some more videos to explore more about earning online. And be sure to subscribe. See you next time!